Happy 10th anniversary to the Edible Schoolyard. I'm Melanie Soles, and it was actually about 12 years ago when I first visited the Edible Schoolyard in Berkeley, California, and met with Alice Waters and the Chez Panisse Foundation Board and assured them that we would be raising millions of dollars in Greensboro, North Carolina to become the first edible schoolyard in a children's museum or museum setting, and to this day it still is. I am so proud of the hundreds of individuals, very talented and generous individuals in Greensboro who poured their heart and soul into help making this vision a reality. And as a result, over 1 million children and their families have visited the Edible Schoolyard and benefited from its Seed to Table programs. Thank you, Greensboro Children's Museum. Happy anniversary, the Edible Schoolyard, and I can't wait for the next 10 years.